bad thing of if you don't look at it, maybe it will start working. And yes. Awesome. If I bother with these two, let's see if it copes with this as well. If not, I'll close it. Okie dokie. There we go, there we go, there we go. And cross alarms. Okay. Well, things are up and running, so that's good. That's good news. That's good news. One itty bitty step at a time. Right? Right. There we go. Then I can still see things like that. I can still see things there. There we go. Done. Done, done, done. Okay, we've basically just been stuck in a little bit of a range since I left earlier. So both of the trades would have been losses. And that's fine. Okay. My multi-chat's now connected, so if I miss something, I apologize. Sorry. But we are... There we go. We are now good to go. Little crown for my duck. Nothing super exciting has happened. Except for the fact that it's respecting the heck out of this inverse fair value gap on the 4 hour. That's what it looks like. It just keeps popping off of. Okay, so we got London high over there. Where do be London low? Here do be London low. Is it? Nah, not quite. Oh, no, it is. Kind of. Kind of. This is London low. Has it even taken it out? Nope. Theoretically, here's London low. I already marked out. Did I mark out Asia low? There's NWAG, so this is Asia low. Hey, Thumb Guy, how are you? How you doing? Thumb Guy, I can't remember if you left before I took a trade or not. Did you leave before I took the trade this morning? Yes, no, maybe. Hey, Lofin, how you doing? Welcome back. Jean? Good morning. You're looking for longs? Nice. Hey, some guy you did see. Cool, cool, cool. I know, I must put it up in Discord. I'm sorry, I haven't done that yet. Huh. It's kind of respecting this little bit of a block here. Yeah, it was good. It was good. Let's wait for... I mean, obviously New York hasn't opened yet, so I'm sitting here waiting for nothing right now. Cheer up, what's up? Oh, thank you, Michael. How's everyone doing, by the way? Is everyone ready for this? Are we ready to have a good old time? I'm quite excited. Let's see what the NASDAQ has to offer us this afternoon. I guess theoretically during London we had this one push and that was it. Into the inverse fair value gaps on the 4 hour. Let's see if it continues this way. Hey! How's everyone doing, by the way? Did anyone else trade the London session and how was it for them? Out of curiosity. Did you guys trade it? Was it good? What's bad? Are we whooping? Are we sad? How are we feeling today, everyone? BTC still in a macro short zone. Ooh, nice though. That's not bad, right? I Fetty? Hi, how are you? Oh, Tim? How are you? Wait. Tim, your adventure. Timur adventure? Sorry, I feel like I butchered that. Hello from Indonesia. Hello from South Africa. How's it going? Ranging. Yep, 100%. 100% some guy. We're busy ranging right now, which is not great, but it is what it is. I mean, this has created a beautiful double tap here. It also created a beautiful double tap. It just keeps tapping into this inverse fair value gap. I do think it wants to break through. I want to break free. If you guys aren't gonna judge before that, I'm gonna judge before that. That was terrible, but we're moving on. We're gonna just pretend I didn't do that. What up? How you doing, Sully? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, John, what's your new challenge for yourself? I'm excited. Tell me what's up. Waiting for a sweep of the high or the low. Big yawns. I get it, some guy. I get it. But at least we are here together. We've got this, right? We've got this. Okay, what time is it? I'm getting all excited. Okay, we still got 10 minutes. Oh, guys, we got 10 minutes to chinchill. I say chinchill. Kind of chinchill. Let's see if it takes out here. I'll make some dash lines there. Sorry, I know this looks a little bit chaotic. There's method to the madness. Sometimes. Most of the time. There's always some method to the madness. Solly, you just woke up. Nice. What? That's still cute though. Thanks, Solly. Mojo Trading New York. Absolutely. I'm gonna take 500. Whoa. Whoa. What? Mojo, is this new to the... No, Mojo. Yeah, technically I was trading New York before I was trading London. I started with trading New York, Mojo. How about you? Hey, Baba. What time frame is this? Sorry if I jump between and you guys can't see something. I'm trying something new today. So, Baba. Hi, I'm on the 1 minute time frame, by the way. Looking back to the 1 hour fair value gap and get long if possible. Okay, hey Dark Angel, how are you? How was your weekend? I think 500 no, actually now I'm confused. Good question. John, do you want to elaborate on that? Okay, wait, so John, what is the plan there? Are you just gonna stay on it? You're just gonna let it run until then? How are we gonna do that? Or what R's are you looking at? What's the plan? Or is that just your goal? That's just ultimately what you want to try and get. Pretty good weekend. How about you? Looks like you had a good trade in London. I did. London was awesome, Dark Angel. It was a real good one. I'm super chuffed with it. Yeah, it looks like I managed to just hop in on this quickly before it started consolidating again. Which is cool, which is really cool. Let's see now, however, what the plan is. Dark Angel, are you... No, wait. It's Monday. Never mind. Ignore me. Ignore me. I was gonna say, are you looking for something? But I remember you don't really trade on Monday, so I will be quiet. I'm going to grow the account balance. Oh! Got it. Okay. Sorry, I was a little bit confused with that, but that's... Ooh! Okay. You're gonna do it on your own live account? Is that the plan? Hey, Scar King, what's up? How you doing? A few months back, I saw you trading futures much earlier in the morning. Really, Mojo? A few months. I mean, I do both the London... Hello. Okay, bye. I do both the London and the New York session. I don't know if that... Maybe you saw me during the London session. I was live for the London session as well. If something clean shows, I'll take it right now. It's pure chop suey. Wake up! If you know, you know. Underneath the sun, what up? How's it going? How are you? Is it hard to start trading someone who has no knowledge yet? Yes. Yes, it is. No. I think the key is to do one step at a time, or else it can be overwhelming. Just for me personally. But if you start with the basics and you slowly grow from there, then it's very much possible. Like I said, beginning of this year, I knew absolutely nothing. I didn't even know what the candles were called. So, anything's possible. Mojo, but not regular trading hours. Are you sure? How sure are you about that, Mojo? Having a new live account next month. Ooh, nice, Sean. Okay. I don't normally take trades on Monday. Also, tomorrow is a bank holiday. So wondering if this means today might be a bit slow. Seriously? Is tomorrow a bank holiday? I didn't know that. Ah, what holiday or what's happening tomorrow that there's a holiday? Ah, interesting, Mojo. Sorry, I have no idea. Everyone is a beginner with no knowledge at some point. Some guy, that's valid. Everyone has to start somewhere. Even the professionals now started from knowing absolutely nothing, right? Heyo! Lelf? I feel like I've butchered that. Hi. I see a man on YouTube lost $1 million on live. Is that real? What? Do I know Tom Hogarth? The name sounds familiar. Oh, by the way, guys, just by the way, I'm just gonna put it out there just in case. There is officially someone pretending to be me, which I don't know if I'm flattered or disturbed by, because I guess it means that's cool. I don't know, but just a heads up, there is someone pretending to be me. If you get a request for proof, I will happily take a weird photo with one of my weird things on top of my head to prove that it's me, not a fake scammer account. Just putting it out there. Like I said, I don't know if I should be flattered or concerned by this. Maybe a little bit of both. But just a heads up, there is now officially an account that is not me, that's pretending to be me. Only true trader, what's up? It's Veterans Day. Oh, cool. I didn't know that was a thing. That's pretty cool. It's not a holiday we're off though. Okay, so it's more of just a day. I don't know. That sounds bad, but you know what I mean. Not a holiday. I always set a stop loss, Sam. Don't worry. I always set a stop loss. Yeah, you have. Honestly, Dark Angel, I was a little bit mortified. I was like, excuse me, what? But it's fine. If I was go check out Crypto Face, pretty sure he still holds the world record for biggest ever winning live stream trick. How much was it, some guy? I'd be so curious to hear what you think of his theory and performance. I'll be. Elf who? Oh, was that who it was? Tom. Okay, I'll have to have a look. Some guy, how do we know I'm not AI? I don't know what's something AI can't do that I can prove that I'm not AI. I don't like I bleed? No, I guess AI could. Well, number one, I mean my hands. I have normal hands. I feel like that's proof enough. AI struggles with hands. Oh, thank you. Thanks, Mojo. I appreciate it. Let's see. Wait, what time is it? Let me focus. We got 2 minutes to go. What? Hold on. I'm going to sweep the has this little range. Cool. He made 1.5 mil or something. What am I trading normally, Elf? What do you mean by what am I trading normally? Like what type of day or What's my go-to for trading? Is that what you're asking? Yeah, shush. Just go do that. Okay, let's see. It's past, and are we gonna finally break through this? Ah, there we go, kind of. Yeah. I mean, it's struggling. It's going, but it's struggling. Which assets or... Oh, sorry. MNQ, ELF, MNQ. So I trade the NASDAQ futures, the micros to be specific. Here we go. Okay. Took out London high. It's in this inverse fair value gap. Let's see if it's going to continue. Is it going to retrace back down? Maybe not. Let's see what today brings. Hey, no, I don't think he's here. I was gonna say, is Rip here? Because it hit that level Rip was interested in. Just googled it, he made 2 million in 6 hours. Whoa! As of now. On the world records for biggest live stream loss of 300k. That's insane, some guy. That's insanity. And is he doing live accounts? I'm assuming he's doing live accounts. Even for me as well, going to be a lot more safe today. Ooh, only true trader. Why are you going to be safe today? Out of curiosity. Just because of the market conditions, or what the... Yeah. Sorry, I just don't want it to be constantly there, but I'm aware of where it is. Okay, it's right by that 4 hour, so let's see. Indexed like NASDAQ or S&P, but on mini and not futures because I have no clue of future contract. Oh, I've heard future contracts aren't bad. Hey, Rip, how are you? I was wondering where you were. Stupid Choppy. It's on all live accounts, his own money. That is major respect. That's terrifying. But I mean, surely he's making then enough. I'm going to be assuming that he's making enough that he can do what he wants. Maybe one day when I'm big, I can also just be like, let's see what happens, and go for it. I'm joking, I won't do that, but that's not promising, is it? Oh, I'm on the... Might help if I went on the correct... Oh, no, it's still not looking great. On the 1 minute here, let's see. Patience is key, right? Patience is key. I just have to keep reminding myself that patience is key. Right? Look how long it took for the London session to actually have a decent setup. At least there's a little bit of a push. So let's see what else we can get from this. Today, price may buy or sell NWOG, not tagged, inside a 4 hour gap, plus only true trader. I know, look, this is what I have marked out right here. See, I'm getting better. I'm getting better. We swept London highs. If we displace through the gap, I'll trade. I'm looking for long say. Ooh, okay. Only true trader. Nice, 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 nice. If we displace lower on the 50 minute, I'll short. Just waiting, but overall bias is bullish. Hey, Mark 1! How are you doing? How's it going? How are you? Let me just quickly see something. You say baby shark, and I was actually playing with my little shark earlier today, and... Let me see. Yeah. Rip, you took a small long? Nice. From where? What's a foot long and slippery slipper? Skeletor, you know what? I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Traveling lamp? No idea. Why? So you marked it out, the smile I had. Oh, thank you, only two trader. Yep. See, I'm learning. And it was actually my hectic confluence for this trade here. Big confluence, but because I had a feeling it wanted to at least tap into the inverse fair value gap with this trade. Obviously there were some other aspects, but that was the main one. I was like, nah, I'm pretty sure it's going to want to at least try and attempt to tap into the inverse fair value gap. It actually rejected off of it a few times. Not hectically though. Which was my thought that it's going to continue pushing higher. Because if it was going to reject properly, it would have happened by now. I'm spewing. Sorry if I'm spewing too much, but that's just how we're going. Is this? No, not yet. I was gonna say, have we made a little itty bitty? Not yet. Nope. We have not made an itty bitty fair value gap yet. Where's Geordie at? Sorry. I know I'm being all over the place today, but yeah, where's Geordie at? Thank you. Confidence BTC support our order block plus retest of previous ranging in that area. Ooh. Look into why? Who is he? Traveling lamp? Is he cool? Do I have any certifications? No, I'm still new at this. I've only been trading since April. That's why it's teach Maya trading, not teaching Maya trading. Putting it out there, I'm very honest and open about everything. That's why I do have my amounts and everything up here so we can all see how it's going. I saw a guy walking, dragging a clam on a leash. It must be difficult to travel with a pulled muscle. Skeletor, you know when you're not mad, you're just... Oh no! I should have done that for Halloween! Oh, I'm so disappointed in myself. Because obviously you guys know I was dressed as a pirate. I could have put a dog leash on a plank and walked around with a plank on a leash because I'm walking the plank. No, I'm so upset right now. That made me think of it. That was such a missed opportunity. Shucks. Oh well. I'm probably deciding to trade with higher time frame objective. Now let's go. Hell yeah, only true trader. Let's do this. Speaking of, I'm just have a look at them quickly. Let's confirm some areas, but it looks like it wants to pull this properly. Why did I mark this out? I think there was just... I must go into the 4 hour and confirm why I marked this out. I don't think this was a fair value gap. I think this was just a point of resistance that needed to be broken. We chop this whole time, we manipulate higher. Possible drop. Had a great morning on the charts. Looks like you did too. Mark 1, I did. So let's see. Open, sell, or buy. Louis Arthur. Lewis. Is it Lewis? Yep. So I'm waiting to see what is going to come of this. It's filling this inverse fair value gap, so it could start popping down after all the chop. I'm waiting for confirmations. That's basically where we are. Antonio, what's up? How are you? Every frame. Oh, movie? Okay. First of bank robbers instead of a pirate. Why? Bonnie? Why? Which pair? Hey, cool gadgets. So I'm not trading a pair, I'm trading the NASDAQ futures. Only to trade it, I agree. I'm actually gonna make a little special comment on that. Again, this is the whole reason why, well, I want to say I did it, but I didn't. You guys basically made this community. It's such an amazing, supportive community to watch. Not just me grow. I do think I have grown, but to watch everyone grow and support one another, I think it's just amazing to see like-minded people just being there for each other. So yeah, just a shout out to all of you guys in the community. You guys are just amazing, and I don't think I would be where I am right now if it weren't for you guys. So huge shout out to all of you. John, you long since the 25572. Right, okay. Um, 700 on 3 micros. Jordy, what's up? How are you? Filling 4-hour inverse fair value gap at 629. Yeah, okay, sorry. I'm getting excited because that's where I've got it marked as well, so I'm like, yeah. So I know it's a stupid thing to get excited about, but I'm giving myself a little pat on the back because I am starting to see things. So like, that's better than any of the wins. Just the fact that I'm starting to see the things, it's amazing. The shorts after manipulation. We need to trade a more imbalanced tips price. Should I respect the gap? It's not great to see it get completely filled, then drop. So only to trade it, does that mean it could potentially keep going up? Jordy. Looks and personality and helpful. Oh, thanks, Antonio. I appreciate that. 99, I'm also okay with long as we close above the fair value gap, but shorts to London low would be amazing. Okay, only true trader. Makes sense. Balance versus imbalance. Oh, thanks for the new sub, by the way. Thanks to everyone that's a new subscriber. It's super cool. I'm super excited for all of this. Jordy, it has not made a fair value gap yet. Apart from on the half an hour open, which doesn't count, right? But it has not made a fair value gap yet, which is kind of weird. Just saying. Okay, let me quickly zoom out a little bit. Let's have a look at the higher time frames. Give me 2 seconds. And we're just gonna block off all the noise. And let's look at the 15. Oh no, okay, cool. We're good. We're still good. Just about to tap in there, but we have... Let me just see what I have marked out here. What did I mark out there? What is this that I've marked out? Oh, it's the previous NWOG. Surely that's been mitigated by now, right? Surely that... Does this previous NWOG still mean anything? Not really. I'm gonna pop it off to the side slightly. I don't think it does. Okay, then I'm gonna close this again. Okay, so that's previous London high up there. There's another little inverse fair value gap on the 15-minute as well. Oh, it's headed towards it. Cool. 1 hour. Uncle Collins, I'm trading the NASDAQ futures. It depends, you need a closing candle above. Diamante! Oh, sis, oversleeping. Oh, no, I'm joking. Don't worry, you get it. mistakes for a previous Thursday for 35 value gap will be used today. Hey Rambo, by the way, how you doing? I'm gonna keep going higher. That's the reason why I would long if close above the fair value gap. Ooh. Okay. Let's see, only two trader. You seeing this? She's looking at higher time frames. They grew up so fast. You guys are so funny. Oh man. I hope you know that I appreciate you all. And you guys definitely are hilarious and you make my day just that much better. Oh, flip. Okay. I mean, here's a huge one. What am I on right now? I'm on the 1 hour. Let's check the 4 hour quick sticks. So yeah, tapped into this 4 hour. But so I have this marked out. I'm gonna mark this out with it because there's relative. Little double top there. Cool, 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 cool. Okay. Go back to the 1 minute. Let's allow all the noise to continue again and let's go. Damn, all the way up to, well, this was Bob's level from Friday? Yeah, Friday. I actually don't know where Bob is. Is Bob here? Teratio PS, is it summer in South Africa? Yes, it is. Apple Butter, hi! Hey, Apple Butter, how you doing? I was so shocked when I saw this. It feels like yesterday she was staying on the 1 minute. Probably was yesterday, you're not wrong. Yeah. I saw it and got excited. I was like, yes. Monte, does mine know your name is pronounced Dermonte? Oh, is it? No, he told me how to pronounce his name, like, when he first started he was one of the original followers. Geordie, just saying. Have I been saying it wrong the whole time? Is it Dermonte? Please tell me I'm not. Oh my gosh, have I been butchering it? You see how it's filling it and displacing through. I would like lungs. Okay. Crazy other something else. Apple butter, yeah, it was a good one this morning. So now let's just hope we don't take a silly Billy trade and ruin that. Nah, that's just me being a negative Nancy. We got this. Right? Right. Go away. Sorry. Bunch of flies. Super annoying. Potential here. It took out Bob's level. Took out the fair value gap. It's now completely full. So is it gonna come retest at least midpoint? Or is it just gonna keep climbing up, up, and away? We still do not have a fair value gap, by the way. Sorry, I don't think I've shut up once. I'm so sorry. I'm talking everyone's ear off today. Okay. Hey, Bujay, what's up? Yeah, I think most people from outside the US say it exactly how you said Maya. Oh, okay. Now I don't know what to say. Diamante, do you want me to carry on how I have been, or would you prefer me to say Diamante? I'm so sorry. I feel really bad. Makes up Thursday opening range height. Now we can see a little reversal or retracement. Huh. If that had gone further down, it would have been a goodie. Oh well. See if it continues pushing higher. Maybe I just had to know. Jody, that's okay. Oh, okay, so it is pronounced Diamante. I'm so sorry. Diamante. There we go. Diamante. Got it. I apologize. I'm so sorry. I feel really bad now. I've been calling you that for months. Diamante, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, I apologize. Okay. Technically this would actually be the range. Let's see if it respects it now that it's going back down on a little. There we go. Oh, dang. Okay. Guys, I'm sorry. I know I've asked this before, so you're probably going to be annoyed that I'm asking it again. But this NWOG, so this was like, what, 2 weeks ago NWOG? It's been, what, filled in like 3 times now. Is it now mitigated? This NWOG just doesn't matter anymore. Yes? Am I correct? I guess. Demonte, there we go. Got it. Bar rejection, maybe we're staying inside the gap. I guess it's as long as you know that I mean all the good things. I mean well, even if I butcher it. Okay, we just need confirmation outside of this inverse fair value gap of which direction we are headed. Is it gonna be bull? Is it gonna be bear? Whoop, looks potential for... Let me actually just not even start to speculate. Really? Long entry 555. Are we doing 555 again? Who was saying 555 earlier today and I was having... No. 555, it was you, Rip, it was. It was. The 555 level. Hey, Lukey, bull or bear? Good question. I'm waiting for confirmation now. It's filled this inverse fair value gap on the 4-hour properly. But is it now going to continue higher? Part of me... I'm gonna wait for confirmation. I'm not gonna try and say yes or no. Rip, you took a short. Ooh, okay, let's see. You're testing the waters. Okay, Rip, nice. Let's see how this goes. I mean, it's potential. Is it because I was potentially looking at a long? I mean, it's smart, but still a little bit rude. Not seeing any bearish. Ooh, okay. So only true trader, you're thinking very much we're going up, up, and away. Maybe not to the moon. Yeah, maybe to the moon. So apparently, fellow South Africans, Dark Angel let me know that apparently tomorrow is a bank holiday. Note to self, I should stop to say things that could make people blow their account. I would hate that. Oh no, Rip, you know, I think at the end of the day, people must take what they want from this. If they choose to listen, that's not on you. You're not a financial advisor. No one here theoretically, well, I don't think anyone here is a financial advisor. If you are, I'm sorry, but no one here is a financial advisor. If they choose to listen, that's their choice, right? Lukey, I wait for 50-minute confirmation. It just bounced off resist 1, price 645. You did not enter. Okay, okay. Well, I would like to see the NWOG tap before we buy, unless we close above the 4-hour fair value gap. Right now, you're short. Damn. Okay. Hey, Bryson, what's up? How are you? Welcome. You know what? I love it. Bring all the funnies. It's fun to have fun. It's fun to have fun. Yes, it's fun to have fun. Let's see if this would have worked. I'm gonna kind of be grumpy if it does, because what the heck, but yeah, also can't be grumpy at the fact that I'm waiting for confirmation, right? Right. Exactly, some guy. Exactly. How's BTC looking? $444. Oh damn, oh damn, oh damn, it does. Oh damn, I didn't even see that. It was so itty bitty. Okay, let me mark it. Let me mark it. Thanks, Geordie. I didn't even clock that. Let's see if it goes back up into it before potentially melting back down. Okay, now waiting for potential, all the confirmations. Let's see if it respects it at all. Only true trader. Yep. I love that we're all just now waiting for our sign. It's a sign. Don't listen to someone on internet law. Bryson, you think it looks like a short setup? Interesting. Well, potentially. Yep. Kinda. Literally tapped into that. Whoa, Geordie. I promise you, if this is another potential 6R trade, I'm gonna have a meltdown. You're the first I see giving advice for free. Ah, Maureen. Oh, Maury. Before you get excited, I'm definitely not an expert. I've only been trading since April. I'm not a teacher. So this is not Maya teaching trading. It's teach Maya trading. Okay, just before you guys get excited and hop on here and then yell at me for, I don't know, doing something silly billy. Because I do lots of things silly billy, just saying. Over time, your ass will become one of the charts, young girls. I'm sorry. Geordie, well, like you said, still, I mean, it kind of rejected off of it an itty bitty little bit. This is low-key frustrating, but again, I can't be upset at the fact that I'm waiting for price to confirm. It's fine. I've not stopped talking once. I'm so sorry. Okay. I broke down from the range because without sweeps, so I didn't get in. Missed. A little bit salty about it. Not gonna lie. Oh, tried small long off. That would have been a TP. Ah, sorry, some guy. That sucks. Ooh, thanks, Jordy. I keep forgetting about the 1 hour candle. And it tends to be a revert. Does it? Yes. The 10 a.m. tends to be a reversal. Well, that's just what some people have noticed. As well as the new 4 hour. Oh, is that kind of why the 10 a.m. is so important? Resist 2 is located on 783. Damn, 783. Damn, that's far away. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this would have hit TP. Looks like we got a double top happening here. Oh, okay. Well, I'm glad it's helping. I'm glad. Ellipses, what's up? How's it going? Uncle Collins, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Where are you from? Have I seen any profits from trading yet? No, Wade, no. Sorry, I try my best to be as open and honest about this whole situation as possible. Try being the keyword. Well, I don't think I lie about anything. I don't think. Tiny expensive. Oh, that's okay, Rip. It's fine. Point of view, I got short and get cooked. I'm so sorry, Bryson. I'm so sorry. Why do I use? I want to not comment. So I'm using a GAN box, and I just use my GAN box. It just keeps my rules going. So this would have been a long setup. I would have been literally wicked in here, which would have been awesome. And I would have gone break even around here. So this would have been a break even trade. Well, let's see what it wants to do now. This could still be a break even trade. It's closing pretty, nope, never mind. This would look like this. Now it tapped into that fair value gap. Is it going to respect it again? Or properly? To the bull side? Uncle Colin, you're from Nigeria. That's so cool. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. What stock is that I have in your chart now? ASIM, sorry. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Honesty is good. You see yourself making money eventually. I touch wood. I do, Wade. I touch wood being the key here. I'm not loving that ES is different to NQ. Okay. But yeah, I mean, that's the hope, to eventually be profitable, right? I suggest you to make the first 50 minutes 10 AM high and lows. The highest taken first. The 70% chance of the low being made in the first 50 minutes and vice versa. Wait. Not the first 50 minutes. Yep. Up 10 AM high and low. Okay. Statistically, if the highest taken first, the 70% chance of the low being made in 50 minutes and vice versa. Okay. That low looks sus at the 0.5 level. You think so? Let's see, if this is potentially 2 trades that would have worked out perfectly, I'm gonna be a grumpy mumpy, just putting it out there. And the fair value gap looking respectfully respect. That's where I took. Nathan, what time frame? I'm using the 1 minute time frame, but I do get confirmations now from the higher time frames. I'm trying to be better with that. Have I gotten a payout? No. I feel like I'm too scared of losing money to trade. No, I don't think you can be too dumb to trade. Can you be too dumb to trade? I don't think you can be too dumb to trade. When it comes to being scared of losing money, I feel like you have to trade money you don't care about losing. If you're trading with money you care about losing, then fear and emotions are going to take place, and that's when it's a disaster. I'm trying to look at it. Where you can start small. Yep, that's true. You can start small. But I think the key thing for me, just in my opinion, is just start with money you don't care about losing. And again, just my opinion, potentially start with a prop firm. It gives you a little bit of cushioning, if you want to call it that. Like, obviously there's up and down sides to it, but it helps you while you're figuring things out, but it allows you to trade live and allow the emotions to take place as well. Bonnie, you sometimes care about losing even 20 cents. Okay, that's quite rough. Impossible. I always care about losing money. I mean, yeah. What am I trading? Hey, aka Turkey. Hi. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Yes. You know, it's a bit of a tricky. No, why does this look like it's working out perfectly? I'm gonna feel like such a chop. No, let's not. It's not over until it's over. It's over. Yep, I'm gonna feel like a chop. These are two trades in a row. Literally would have wicked in, gone up, and samesies with this one. Beautiful in, and now potentially to TP. But I guess if we're looking on the bright side, it means that it's working really well for my strategy today. So let's look at the bright side. Why does it look stuck around this inverse fair value gap though? Only 2 trade, are you waiting for anything in specific? Chat for now. Hey, your local shorts provider. Of course I do. What's up? What are you doing on this channel again? Obey your rules. Lukey, no, you're right. You're right. Lukey, you're right. To be fair, there's one. Can you guys actually hear my dog snoring? Wait, am I from Cape Town? I'm not from Cape Town. I am from the other coast. I'm from KZN. Whoosh. Good. I'm from KZN. Okay, I say, oh damn, I didn't get in any of these trades, but neither of them would have touched TP yet. So, that's not ideal either. Oh, sorry, your local shorts provider. I'm trading? Yeah, trading the Nasdaq futures. Yeah, I live in South Africa. Life is full of risks. You need to take only a few. To a certain degree. Take, I want to say, calculated risks. Right? That's then risk management. And risk management do be important, or else you're then just gambling. We're not gamblers, we are traders. Say it loud and proud, everyone. We are not gamblers, we are traders. Despite what a lot of people think. Damn, you should see what a lot of people say. Neo, yeah. I am definitely from South Africa. John, you still in? Cool. Why is it so surprising that I'm from... Ah, wait, you know what? There's a... Let's not get into that. Yeah. Born and bred in South Africa. I am half Portuguese, though. If that makes any difference, but lived in South Africa my whole life. This is yucky. Bryson, I'm not in this trade, if that's what you're asking, but my TP would have been at 660.25 or at 665.75. Basically where these two green lines are. But I'm not in this trade. Just before you guys get excited, I'm not in this trade. That's nice. Going to make a coffee, shout if it's dropping. You're on it. Rip, how do you want me to scream? Like, man, life is risky as hell. That took a lot and now not any to risk now. Need to stop shopping at Checkers and shop at Woolworths. The Checkers mini aren't worth it for local shorts providers. Number one, I shop at Pick and Pay. Let's just get that out there. Number two, Woolworths is expensive. No. I go to Woolworths if I'm feeling super fancy. Otherwise, I can't afford Woolworths. Damn. Woolworths is ridiculous. I went there the other day out of curiosity. I felt a little bit sick at the price. I was like, no, it's fine. It's okay. Me to let people think it says only Mauri's and elephants. Yep, no, that's true, Maury. That's true. To be fair, it doesn't help that in KZN, the vervet monkeys run wild. So in the middle of a stream, you just hear, and my dog goes crazy. I'm like, it's the monkeys. Oh, rip, it's going down. Not properly yet, though. Never mind, ignore me. I got excited for a second. Top step. What happened, Boom? Boom, what happened? Oh, no. Neo, do I also trade gold? The London sessions, I've been looking at gold. I've done like 3 trades on the gold. The first one was a win. The other 2 were losses, unfortunately. Gold during the London has been a little bit choppy. TP or take profit, but I guess, yeah, it's your profit, JDC. Risk management is to limit the loss or to limit the gain. It's to limit the loss. That's what the risk management is. Woolies rotisserie chicken is... Okay, wait! You're not wrong. The rotisserie chicken at Woolies is superb. I'm not even gonna argue with you on that one. It looks stuck. It kind of is. Let's see if it manages to pop out of this. I don't know who it's teasing. Is it teasing the shorts or the longs? Like... Yeah. Ah, well there we go. Finally would have potentially hit this TP. Maybe would have missed by a tick. Looks like it would have missed by a tick. That would have sucked. Oh, Jean, are you out? I'm sorry. Fizzle, I'm using a prop firm. I'm using top 1 futures currently. What happened? What did the chart do? Boom? Send me a photo on Discord. What happened? Ooh, if Boom's raging, I'm scared. You only shop at Woolworths. Damn! Do I go to my part? No, I don't. Price is already in deep premium for more. It's closed with lots of candies downside. Rambo, I like that. Hey DK, what's up? Surprised you're not broke. Sell your stocks and pay taxes. Why? An original gangster? Yeah, Geordie. Obviously. Obviously. I must say the one thing I love and I often crave from Woolworths are those chicken pancake things. They're so yummy. Okay. You guys are making... Why do you always come here and make me hungry? Ellipses, are you still here? And some guy, you guys will be proud. I had breakfast this morning. I had leftover mac and cheese. John, you happy you made 500 on 3 months? Damn, John! Whoop whoop, that's amazing! It's teasing both. If it's limit the loss, not limiting the gains, when you have more money, then when you have more money, you're having bigger risk too. Hey, that hurt my brain cells. Give me a second. Let me read that again. There's a time and place for Woolies. Wait, yes, it's called when you got lots of money. I'm joking. Yes, Bryson, I'm using top 1 futures. Only shop there when I'm going to a fancy bright. Boom, okay, I'm going. Oh no. Oh, it's because I'm in it, I'm just being a chop. Give me a second. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the heck happened, Boom? Oh my word, that's not okay. That's not okay. Oh, people, that's bad. Adam, buy or sell. I was looking at buys. I would have hit my TP on the not time frame. The bigger range. The smaller one is nearly there. However, either way, this one would have been at break even. I want to say, oh, I should have taken it, but you know, there was good reason for not taking them, so I can't be upset about that. Oh, and it listened really well. Let's see if it listens again. Maybe not. Maybe. Okay. Savona. I'm sure her only sustenance is her fans' cheers. Wow, unoriginal gangster. That's rough. I don't think anyone here cries because of me. I don't think. I hope not. Did I make anyone cry? Thanks, some guy. Off the battle day. This morning at the London Open. 1 and done on the 25. Ooh, well done, Thumper. That's amazing. I need my short. I don't go long. So, wait. Lukey, do you never go long? Like, you only take shorts? I'm confused. Why? Just, that sounded judgy. I'm just genuinely curious. What's your reasoning for never taking longs? Thomas, what up? How's it going? Gold, crude oil, Tesla, what am I trading? Hey, Tapas, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. He does not. I mean, I shop at Pick and Pay because it's the closest thing to me, and it's actually the cheapest. Done comparisons between, Woolworths isn't even part of this, between Spar, Checkers, and Pick and Pay. Pick and Pay is actually the cheapest, believe it or not. There's always an opportunity. It's okay to sit out of trades. Thanks, Bryson. I know it's good to remind yourself of that sometimes. It still feels frustrating, but there's always another trade. But I guess, you know, capital's limited, so I just have to keep reminding myself about that sometimes. I could have taken so many good longs today. Yeah, Lukey, which is why I'm... Okay. Ashish, what? Do a little help, what? How do you want me to help you? Most recent bias and D1 time frame is short, D1 bias. Trust. Oh, okay. Got it, Lukey. That makes sense. I sometimes take long, but in a very short time. Does that count? I mean, Bonnie, sure. Do I think that most trading content creators are scammers? In my opinion, the only ones that are scammers are, I think, the ones that aren't trading live for you to see, I guess. No, that's being judgy. You know, if it's not live, I think it's just... You can be skeptical because AI and editing are real good nowadays, so it's difficult. But anyone that says you're gonna get rich quick, again, this is just my opinion. Please no one come at me or report me or anything. It's just my opinion because someone asked. I think anyone that says you're gonna get rich quick potentially is a scammer. Anyone who says it's 100% win rate, scammer. I don't think there's such thing as 100% win rate. You can have high win rates, like 85%, like some cool kid named Boom Banana. But yeah, if they're saying it's 100% guaranteed, run away. Again, it's just in my opinion. Oh, nice, Thomas. What did you end up trading this morning? You just got filled long on this push down. Damn, okay. Only should try to believe it or not. No, okay, to be fair, I do also think it depends on where you live, if that makes sense. So I actually did some research. If you go on, and I mean, you can go onto like the Checker 60/60 thing and do comparisons, but at the end of the day, believe it or not, Pick and Pay works out cheaper. Stop moment, shorts, potential swings, values and close before 19. Damn, okay, local shorts provider. Ooh, okay. The claws are coming out. How long have I been trading, Bryson? I've been trading since April. Like, do you guys want to see my spreadsheet with the comparisons of prices? I can show you that if that makes you feel better. How about Jordy? The problem is those Woolies desserts are the damn expensive ones. But oh, the Woolies ice cream. I don't know if you've had that fantastical mix. Is that what it's called? Fantastical. Yeah. That one, it's weird, but it's good. I love how I see good setups while my account is blown last week. No! Cooper official, I'm so sorry. Okay. Looks like bull exhaustion. Careful taking aggressive longs. Ooh, well, it kind of looks like it. Hey, Lukey, this looks like it's now potentially going to start dipping. Which is cool. You know, to have just some movement in a direction would be awesome sauce. Remember, it's 100% until it becomes 99%. What made I? what made me start streaming. So I actually started, if you guys want to see some cringe stuff, you can go back to one of my very first streams. I started trading live when I started streaming. I think it was mostly to see the progress. But as you can see via the name, it's Teach Maya Trading. I thought it would be really nice to grow a community of people that want to help. And, you know, you see all these channels where it's, I will teach you something, and not a lot of people being genuine and actually asking for help. Sorry, this got real deep, so moving on. Thin for Weeds ice cream is, ooh, wait, oh guys. Live next to the matching engine, but because my friend. Oh no! What? Bryson, that sucks. Bonnie, no, since April this year, I've only been trading a few months. Yeah, only been a few months. Love a good spreadsheet. Some guy. There we go. If you guys want, I can actually show you the spreadsheet. I still have it. I should still have it. I made it. Okay, listen, I did make it, what, 2 years ago? But 2 years ago, you know, the facts are facts, unfortunately. Apple butter, how's it going for you, by the way? How are you enjoying this chop? Is it fun? Are you having so much fun? So this would have taken me out of break even, I can tell you that for a fact already. So it would have been a win on the longer range and a break even on the smaller range. That would have been frustrating. Oh, sorry, Thomas. Ugh, but you know, it is what it is. All time frames behave the same. I guess the higher the time frame, the more power the move. Yeah, sorry, Thomas. I apologize. That does kind of suck. Ricky? No? Okay. How is this looking on the higher time frames? Hey, Antonio. We're now stuck in a range. Could this just be because tomorrow is a tomorrow is a bank holiday? I learned that now. Thank you, Dark Angel. Shout out for informing me of that. Ooh, nice apple butter. Okay, okay. Well, previous Thursday 9:40 AM imbalance. Okay, NQ is at your resist 1. Hope we see at least one more bear push. Okay, Lukey, let's see. Wait, Lukey, you're not in this, right? No, you're not in this. You're still waiting, correct? Correct? Before I lie. Joe? I can't speak Portuguese if that's what you're asking. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I am half Portuguese, but my parents attempted to teach my sister Portuguese and then gave up and taught me. I know a song in Portuguese. My well, sorry, Avá. If you're Portuguese, you know who Avá is. It's my grandma. She taught me a song in Portuguese that I still remember. To this day, I don't know why. It's basically just, the bells are ringing, I think. Starts with Freira Jaca. Shut down effect trading. Hey, drop kick giraffes. I have questions for you, but okay. Does the government shut down effect trading? Yes, it does. And there's no such thing as stupid questions. Believe me, I have asked a bunch of dumb ones before. And you mother fluffer. Can you imagine? So this would have missed me, taken me out for break even, and then gone up to hit TP. That would have annoyed me to no end. Okay, are we finally climbing up now? Sing it, no. Yes, it was, I'm Portuguese. War equals grandmother, what's the song? Oh, guys, I'm so bad at singing, so I apologize in advance, but it was just, I'm just gonna say it. I'm not going to sing it, but Frère Jacques, dormez-vous. I'm trying to remember the words. I'm gonna butcher it, but this is what it sounded like. Like I said, I was really young when she sung this. Matina. Nope, I butchered it. I'm so sorry. I can't remember, but it was to do with the bells. Because it ends with like ding ding dong. That's about it. No, it cooked you. Oh, Boom, I'm sorry. It's just not your day, is it, Boom? It's a good username back when Gmail first started and they used to offer you to have a generated username. I kept it for you. Okay, that's valid, right? That's valid. I've got enough examples in my back test to blindly place them in order to reasons. I need a 15-minute conversation. Conversation? Confirmation, not conversation. You're watching YouTube live stream about trading. Yeah, wait. Wait, what exam do you have to prepare for? There we go. Yes, that's it, Wade. Oh, really? Oh. How can you ask stupid questions if they don't exist? You know what, Lukey? But I'm sure... Lukey, you got me. You actually got me. I was gonna try and clap back, but I got nothing. I've got nothing. Yep. Butchered. Oh, I'm sorry, Jody. I'm so sorry. Really? Frère Jacques is French? No, isn't there maybe? That's actually a mixture of French and English, and yes, it's pretty famous in Portugal. Hey! Boom. Okay, well, a mix of both. Cool, cool, cool. No way! That's hilarious. Did she put you on did she put you on her knee and like bounce you? That's what she used to do. Like I said, I was tiny when she used to do this. Oh, bringing back memories. Hey Rolex, how you doing? Trading is 90% waiting, changed my mind. I'm not even gonna try it, Lukey, because I agree. I mean, if you look at the London session this morning, I sat and waited. Then there was a trade. And I placed the trade, and then I sat and waited for the trade to take it or not. So yeah. Thanks, Boom. Yeah, I think I can't tell if you're being salty right now or not. Low-key, I think you're being salty, but that's okay. That's okay. Whoa, Jordy. I mean, okay, got it. Hey, High Life. How are you? We've been. Bruce Symphony is the best version of the tune. Ooh, interesting. Don't know how we ended up getting getting into music, but I love it. Actually, 5% only, 5% planning. I feel like there's be like a 1% execution there somewhere, right? At least. You don't need to wait when you know when it happens. You're doing a degree in music? That is pretty awesome. That is super cool. Can we please just make up our minds what direction we want to be going? Oh, stupid. Okay. Maybe we're just chopping today. Let's check the higher time frames. Sorry, don't mind me. That was just a mini moment. Hey, Salt City, what? Oh, thanks, Rolex, I think. Thanks, I guess. Why? Why are we missing 2 candles? What? Boom, is this the same level that you are missing candles on? No, 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 Wi-Fi, come. Lukey, yes, there is a Discord. There, okay, so I'm glad there. Do you see my model? Trading good interest, we have a legit fumbled execution. I started trading my stock already. I think it's going to be Friday's New York high, and then reverse and make SMT minutes. Short. Oh, wait, don't worry, this is like normal. What happened? Those were there earlier. I watched them. There's... Boom! Boom banana! Come here, I got a question for you. Ayo, Boom. So I'm gonna annoy Boom banana for a minute. Don't mind me. Thanks, Wade. Enjoy. Good luck with your exam, by the way. I hope it goes amazing. So, Boom, what time did your chart have a mini meltdown? Was it at this level here, between... What time is this? Around 9:50. Click like 2 buttons or so in this time. Played out perfectly. How much time to move? Sid, what? What's up, Sid? Oh, okay, Boom, I've lost it on my chart as well. For some reason. It was there, and now it's gone. I saw it when I was moving to the higher time frames. There's just this gap. Interesting. Guys, I can't do anything in the shop. I can't do anything in the shop. Why is it choppy? Why are we doing this? Ah, Lukey, if you want to pop me an email and I can send you the Discord. Yeah? Pop me an email and I can send it to you personally. Because again, just putting it out there just for anyone, just a heads up, there is officially a scammer pretending to be me. I'm having a good giggle about it. I don't know if I should be concerned or flattered. Maybe I should just take it as a flattery and move on. So there is a fake Teach Maya trading account. So I don't know, I guess I can prove it's me if you ask me to send you a picture of like my unicorn on my head, because there's no way that person will have that, right? So just a heads up, if anyone does get a weird request and it doesn't sound like me, maybe just ask for confirmation. I'll be more than happy to confirm that it is me. Cool. There we go. Brokers deleting chart. Do I need to pay for access? No. Brain? No. I'm no friend, then I'm no more. Wow, rough. Overtrade start like that. All day on PC. Sid? Oh, I haven't been all day on my PC. I've taken 1 trade today. Uno trade. They won't have pictures of you doing it as long as you don't send it to the scammer pretending to be a person. Okay, but then maybe... Oh, okay, Thomas. Okay, wait. I got this. You guys can request a picture. Just don't be weird about it. Like, say a picture of you holding a mug or holding your favorite something. I don't know. Like, you guys can request a specific picture. Right? It's Geordie. Whoa. with the Maya Discord tag next to name. Oh, there we go. Oh, thanks, some guy. No. Apple butter, I'm glad they didn't. I'm glad they didn't. Galaxy brain, some guy. I mean, but is that not valid? You could be like, ah, send me a picture of the shark. And if they ask for more pictures, I'll be like, that's weird, that's suspicious. All the creeps gonna be asking for foot pics. Oh, some guy, but that's not confirming anything, right? Can't confirm anything from a foot. No, you can't confirm anything from a foot. Or I think you underestimate AI. Diamante, if you're gonna come here with good points, I can't argue them, can I? I don't know, how would I? Okay. Okay, you guys help me out. What do you think would be a way to prove it's me? I have no idea. How do I then prove it? Bryson, what, is just going sideways? Yeah. I mean, this slowly looks like it's heading towards TP if I use this range. Slowly being the keyword. I mean, it would have tagged in, but these are just not correct market conditions, so it is what it is. I mean, we still have an hour. We still have an hour. Maybe something good will happen. Maybe. I'm being optimistic. I'm being optimistic. Let's do this. No, I just need it so you can prove you're the real one. I mean, it wasn't you asking. Rip. Rip, that was good. That was a goodie. There's only one you. Oh, Nico, thank you. That's very sweet. What is this job? Wow, we buying but no entries. Oh well. We'll come back stronger on Wednesday. Yeah, on Wednesday? Oh, I guess tomorrow's a bank holiday. So is anyone trading tomorrow? What's the plan for tomorrow? I'll never message you directly. Only... Well, if I do message you directly, it'll be more personal. Yeah? Because I got a screenshot of what the fake Maya says. If you guys want me to read that out loud, maybe that will help. And then you guys know. There's a bunch of scammers out there. I know! And I'm like I said, I don't know if I should feel a little bit flattered or concerned, but... A wise trader once told you morning is the best time to... I mean, it depends on where you live, Nico. Where do you live? So maybe take a buy on 2560. Oh, down by the VWAP? I mean, it's a possibility. Let's see. I'm kind of watching... Are we finally making up our minds? Is this happening? Are we doing this? Maybe not. Dimonte? Give out the official invite link to Discord or make it public and allow people to search for it so it'll be... You said Gav. I mean, that's basically... I don't invite people to my Discord. So maybe... Oh, there we go. Problem solved. If I haven't invited you... Well, if I invite you, it's not me. I don't invite people to the Discord. You guys are more than welcome to join, but I'm not inviting you. Ah, there we... Problem solved. That was dumb. Lukey, none? Why? Nico, you think the whales are coming? Trade bank holidays. I just don't market tends to do what it's doing today. Straight shot. Okay. I mean, let's see what tomorrow brings. Am I good with cars? What do you mean by good with cars? Am I good at driving them? Am I good at noticing them? Am I good with the brands? Because car batteries that I need to acid melt. Yeah, no, I don't know that. Only those who know will know. Yeah. If we close below 611, you're gonna take shorts, okay? On the 15-minute. Long time. What's going on your stream? I mean, it's clearly just trying to prove a point here. Back into this. Hey, Geordie, Geordie, Geordie! They're finally gonna break below this first fair value gap. Kind of. Let's see. Yeah, no, 100%. 100%. I have noticed. Wales in the UK. There you go. Scam is broken. Thank you. Watch first presentation fair value gap may have nice opportunity to the sell side. To the sell side? You think the sell side? But it's rejecting everything up off of it. For now. Do you mind? Sorry, that's my dog just snoring his head off. He's so cute. I can't cope with the cuteness. He's so adorable. Okay. 611. I'm gonna watch the 611 level, Lukey. Here we go. But you said it has to close below it properly, right? Nah, still stuck in this fair value gap. The first presented fair value gap. Chip chopping around. Damn. You know, at the end of the day, if I don't get one, it is what it is. It's not the end of the world. I have taken a trade today, and it was a win. So, you know, it just obviously it sucks. It would be nice to be able to get another trade in. Why has everyone gone so quiet? It's weird. Why is everyone so quiet? Are we all good? Are we good? I don't know what to do when you guys are quiet. Oh damn, you guys weren't quiet. There was just a problem. There we go. I'm waiting for candles to come to your level. Is your trade going? Ah, Tamid, no, I'm waiting for some confirmation of which direction this chart wants to go. If it's sideways, then unlucks for me, I guess. It looks like we're gonna just wait and see. Has to close below first presented, then come back and disregard upper portion, then any fair value that appears after is your short to sell side, but it may not give it to you. Ooh, okay, if sense. Sorry, I'm kind of new to this first presented fair value gap. It's quite cool though. Geordie, shout out Geordie. Geordie made me take note of it and I find it really interesting. World is being invaded, dun dun dun. Thomas. I was busy being scammed by someone with the same name as you. Thanks, some guy. What did they say? Watching the trust, trying to make some money. I'm waiting for this move down. Okay, so is everyone kind of sitting and waiting for this potential sell? Is that kind of where we are? Hey, Calvin. I'm trading the Nasdaq future. Sorry, so not a pair. I'm trading the futures. $25534 noted if it wants to drop. Okay. Nope. 0, 0. No, why will you not let me? Mother fluffer, go there. Okay, I'll just make it there at the 2.5, sorry. I will know what it means. Okay, but it has been noted. Let's see if it gets down to that level. Is this finally the drop down? What's it looking like on ES? Hey, hey, hey! Finally! Maybe we got some movement. just needed to respect properly now. And not actually no. Just use first for London, New York, and Asia as well. Are you serious, Only True Trader? Well, I'm assuming how does it go for them? Like I said, Friday, that first presented fair value gap Friday, I could have had 2 6R trades, which is, it feels ridiculous. Oh, Lukey literally tapped into your level and now wants to reject back up. Sorry, David. I guess we'd want to see a manipulation of lows or highs and then possible rejection followed by an inverse fair value gap. Ooh. Okay. Hey, Kenny Smith, what's up? How you doing? Yes, each session has... But do they work as well with each session? Only True Trader? Just out of curiosity. I mean, let's see. I mean, it worked pretty well. I mean, they're just rejected straight through it. It's just kind of sitting on it, actually. It's kind of, for me, acting a little bit like VWAP or VWAP. 10.50 to 11.10 macro incoming. So I'm fake trading right now. How am I fake trading? Wait, out of curiosity. Ah, Kenny Smith, sorry, I'm not trading crypto. I'm trading the NASDAQ futures. But no, Also, what do you want to do, Kenny? Do you want to do day trading? Do you want to do investing? Do you want to do swing trading? All three are different. I know London and New York does amazing. Don't know about Asia or PM. I don't trade those. I guess only that's valid. Only True Trader. Me and you both. So there's real money involved. Yeah. You got me there. Theoretically, yes, but I am on a prop firm, so I guess maybe not. I guess maybe I am fake trading. It doesn't feel right to say that, but yeah. So a prop firm, I don't know if I would call it a dummy account. So I am on the live and there is money, right? There is money. It gives you wiggle room if you want to call it that. So I can lose a certain amount of money without losing any of my own capital, but it does mean I have to earn a certain amount before I start seeing profit that is mine. Not valid. A lot of points for trade right now. I'd like it to go to the level mentioned before though. I don't understand SA traders who trade Asia. Like you wake up to trade Asia. It's insane to me. Also Asia, well, recently Asia's been better, right? But in general, Asia's pretty quiet. London and New York tend to be the better times to trade. Just before I get yelled at. I can see me getting yelled at. If sense, by the way, I have wrong time zone. I have South Africa time zone, sorry. And I'm on Project X. Not really, sorry. Which broker am I using? Kenny Smith, I'm with... Oh, you want to do day trading? Awesome. So I'm using Top 1 Futures right now. Hey, Big Dove, what's up? What's up? How are you? I'm using Top 1 Futures. Yeah, I'm using Top 1 Futures. That's who's my prop currently. Yesterday, I was in loss around -1, and then I got frustrated and suddenly started doing scalping out of nowhere and booked profits, but I promised myself not. You want to do that again? Tommy, damn, what happened? Out of curiosity, what happened? If you don't mind saying, obviously you don't have to. Lukey, is this your sign? It did tap into VWAP though, but is this your sign? Is this your confirmation? Oh damn, here we go. Here we go. Rip, I'm assuming you're back from coffee, but if you're not, Rip, it's going down. Have I ever thought about getting into e-commerce? My sister boyfriend does it and he does pretty well. Wait, I don't even really know what that is. Sorry. Oh, Kenny, I am South African, so yes. Kenny, if you want. Oh, do I even have it set up for TikTok? Oh my gosh, I don't know if I do. Kenny, send me a DM. I can send you a list. So I'm affiliated with a list of like 6 prop firms. All of them are SA friendly, if you want to call it that. But pop me a DM, I'll send you the whole list with the links so you can go check them all out and see which one works for you personally. Obviously, I don't want to be like, oh, this one and this one. It all depends on you as a person. So yeah, surprise, Kenny, I am South African, so I have to be using a SA approved prop. India, hi. I did not react fast enough. ETC, now I missed out on this. No, Lukey, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Like buying stuff on Temu and selling it on take a lot to simplify it. Oh, God, interesting. Isn't that like, I don't want to say illegal. I guess it's not illegal. You can do what you want. I've never really heard of people doing that. Aw, Shimo, that's very sweet. Finally made my money back from the tops. Hey, Solly, did you also get into that disaster? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That's rough. Boom was unimpressed. I was a little bit nervous. I thought Boom was gonna start breaking things. Okay, and now we're just motoring down. It's nearly at that level, Rip. Bryson shorts played out? Yes, they did. If without me on my short ideas from Bitcoin earlier. Makes sense. Well, someone missed the short. A few people missed the short. I wouldn't have gotten in using my trading strategy, unfortunately. This didn't pop up high enough. This just ran away. So it is what it is. Like I said, theoretically, if I had taken some longs, I would have had wins, but they were not correct for my discipline because it was in the chop. And that's not good. Minute. So I'm just gonna block out the noise for a second. Wait, where's the London low? There's the London low. Okay. Damn. Hey, wait, Thomas, is this the inverse fair value gap you were kind of talking about? Because this is what it's beautifully made so far. Obviously, gotta wait for it to close, but it's made this inverse fair value gap on the 15-minute. How's it look on the 1 hour? Not so much on the 1 hour. But it is on the 15-minute, and 4 hour looks, wait. You hide that. What even is this? That doesn't look great on the 4 hour now, does it? Oh, there's NWOG. That's a bit weird. Is this normal for the 4 hour? Sorry, as you guys know, I don't normally take the 4 hour, but this is weird, right? Is this because of the mess ups that's been happening? Stina, what website am I trading on? Well, I'm on Top 1 Futures Project X. New commands on this way. Boom, banana, whoop whoop, well done. I need to pull back into, can we arrange that, please? Thank you. Honestly, it would be ideal if it would do that, right? That's what... What? Gosh, that is the funniest thing I've ever seen. What is happening? Is this just a hectic glitch? Wow. Okay. I found the missing prices. Or the missing candles, guys. They're floating up here. That is brilliant. Okay, cool. Let's open all this back up. Oh, it's looking like a Christmas tree. Yucky. Oh well. Well, let's see. 50% of the inverse fair value gap. That should theoretically not be too bad. Hey, Joy of Travel. What's up? Oh, okay. So it is a Project X platform bug. How's it look on TradingView? Is it normal on TradingView? Got my 50-minute confirmation. Funny. Oh, Lukey, that's interesting. Huh. Targeting 468. 468. Huh, okay. Thought the London low potentially is a little bit lower. Choo choo! Hello from Cape Town. Hello from KZN. How are you doing? Win all who entered. Yep. 100% whoop whoop to anyone who got in on this short. Nicely done. High Life, me and you both are waiting for a little bit of a retest, but is it gonna happen? Rip, it tagged your little limit to the your little limit. It tagged your point to the T. Guardian Livios. Some guy. Don't know yesterday, VC market wasn't going good, but then did scalping and one swing trade and boom. And a straight run up to the left side, and we start breaking below there again. It's likely to overlap the whole move without any retracements because people were trapped long. Don't come at me with negative news. Gosh, be like, no, don't worry, you got this. It's gonna come and hit you in and you're gonna be great. Those little candles just doing their own thing up there. Apple butter hat, that was... Yep, it's brilliant. It's so funny. They're just having their own little party. In a train when those candles printed in the clouds, I panicked. Oh no, Polly, I'm so sorry. Clover, yeah, you know what? It's been well. It's been going good. How have you been? Made a new record trade and I'm out. Ooh, Joy of Travel, what's your new record trade? If you don't mind, you don't have to answer that. Big portion of the decision to be closed by now. Cheers. Oh, okay. Cheers, Rip. Well done, Rip. Just by the way, very nicely done. Lukey finally waited for the short all day long. Got it. That was very good. I like it. I like it. What do I think is the low for today? I want to say potentially London low. Maybe it wants to hit the gap. Where's the gap, by the way? I did mark out NWOG, but I didn't bring it. Oh, okay, no, NWOG's a little bit low. Maybe not NWOG. That might be pushing it, but here's NWOG. I'm thinking potentially London low. It wants to come at least grab London low, and it's just running away. What the heck, man? Gave me nothing there for the retest. Oh well. TP sideways today, just TP from that small sell-off. Done for today. Oh, nice footwear. Whoop whoop. By the way, all the wins here get whoop whoop. So whoop whoop to anyone, like I said, who was in that, or even anyone who got some sneaky little buys in the shop and got some whoop-de-whoops. That's amazing. Yep. This was really good. Did have some bad days. Oh, Joy of Travel is part of trading. The bad days just keep coming and coming and coming, and the good days are far and few between. That was very negative, but yeah. Great shorts over the last week, especially on BC. It bounced off that 90 support, but I expect it's too early to be bullish again just yet. Ooh, nice, Clover. amazing. I'm so happy for you. A lot of liquidity to be eaten on the sell side. Yep. Trump just announced. Traffic controls actively working. Wow, okay. Only true trader, you done? Did you get into anything? Oh, there it's heading towards London low. Just left without me. They're left without me. They do this every year. Why? I'm hoping someone got that reference. Are you trying to short 5 for 1? Are you hoping it comes back up? Yeah, wait, where is 5 for 1? Why am I being... There we go. I think Boom is still in. If he's trailing it, he should theoretically be still in. It's melting, just press sell. Sorry. I can't do that. I want to, but I can't do that. I got in early on the bottom, then opened another one on the top. The bounce of the gap, so no matter what happens now, I'm green. Whoop whoop, well done. That's amazing, Joe. Whoop whoop, we ball. No trade's not gonna force anything. Only true trader. Yep. That's valid. Right. The FOMO wants to kick in. But to... yeah. To chase price is a bad idea. Like looking at this, maybe even this feels potentially too large. 2, 3. This isn't terrible. This isn't terrible. Okay. This actually has 3 confirmations for me. I know they're not great confirmations because it's on the 1 minute, but still there. So this would be 4. Let's see. I think it's gonna just keep running away, but if it does come to get me, nope, running away. I'll call it if it touches London low. Yeah, I'm a bit nervous about this. Wait, Geordie, are you in this also? Lukey, yes, I demand pullback. Lukey, you bought 5 challenges. Ooh! Lukey? Where? On which... on what prop? When do I stop for the day, Wade? I tend to stop around... oh, in like 30 minutes? Around 6:30 SA time. Ooh, Lukey, your entry is near my stop loss. Oh no, well, I got that. Let's see. Clover when you're tired of winning. Or you lose 2 trades. Yeah, that's valid. Wait, I see. I'm in short ES. Oh, nice, Bryson. Hey, the trader. Wait, what's for supper? I think it's roast veggies. Roast veggies and like those frozen frozen little chicken steaklets. This is not promising. It's fine. Wait, let me zoom out. Oh no. Got all these. No, this is yeah. For me, this is an A+ setup. If it doesn't work, then it's just unlux, but it's actually a really good setup for me. With this London low right here. Okay. Like I said, if it doesn't work, unlux, but it's actually a really good setup for me. I'm out now. Trail stop. Ooh, Geordie, whoop whoop, amazing. Hope you use code continue fire. Thanks, some guy. Oh, nice. Ow. Tipu? Do I know gold? I do know gold. What? What? Why? You were so close. Why didn't you just go a little bit higher? That was unnecessary. What the heck, man? Well, that was mean. If it had tagged me in literally by a little bit of text. You know what? At least it was an A+ setup and I took the trade. I know it didn't tag me in, but I still set it up. Okay, there's London low taken. Oh, that's okay, Lou. Don't you worry. I'm just testing my patience. Did not get in by. Oh no! If you're looking to take shorts, you want to see if the gaps unfold. It indicates heaviness. Hi, Hori gameplays. I'm gonna call you Hori. Sorry, Hori. Did I win? I had a win this morning. Unfortunately, this didn't come and tag me in, else it would have been a beautiful win. Beautiful. But it didn't come get me, so it is what it is. The bus left without the nerds. That was really mean. Why do you not like me, Solly? That's so mean. Hey, Raj, what's up? Discord stock name, please. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How many dollars was lost in the trade? Nothing. I'm up $430 today. I mean, I'm not as cool as Boom and them, but it's not bad for me. Hey, Samir, what's up? I want to learn. Please help me to become a trader. I mean, like I said, I've still got a lot of learning to do myself. That felt very intentional. It's just taking out the London low. Part of me wants to take it, another part of me doesn't want to take it because I specifically said I think the target is London low, which means it could retest properly. Oh, thanks. Put my trade in for a swingle. Ooh, okay, Raj, nice. Yes, Wade, yeah. Gosh, love from India. Which account is this? Can we trade here? Can you trade here? What do you mean by can you trade here? Do you want to copy trade? Don't do that. You might lose money. I'm still learning. Okay, so here I would have been tagged in. Let's see if it was a mistake. The previous one was valid because it didn't take out the liquidity I wanted it to take out, and it had 4 confluences. Or more than 4 confluences actually. Now it's taken out the liquidity I wanted. So I expect a little bit of a larger retest. Maybe I'm wrong. And maybe I'm being a silly goose for not taking this, but it is what it is. Tamish, I'm using Project X, but I'm using a prop firm. I'm using top 1 futures. What do my what say? Lukey? So I can afford to... Okay, no, wait. Technically, it's not in my pocket. So I'm up 430 on... was this a mistake to not take? It's fine. Leave it alone. If you don't know to trade or not, look into your rules. Yep. Loki, you're correct. Which is why I didn't take this. Like I said, it had the confluences, it had what I wanted, but it had just taken out some hectic liquidity. So, I can't be upset for not taking it. A little bit grumpy that it didn't tag me in earlier, just saying, but it is what it is. So wait, when I passed the eval. So, wait, are you on the vertical or the horizontal stream? Damn, Clover. Okay. 1 month, a bull, maybe 2 to 3, maybe that's it. We're having a revelation soon. Oh, I see there's drama happening. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be BRB, guys. I'll be right back. Oh, it's sitting on VWAP now. I have a feeling it might start pushing up, in which case I'm glad I listened to myself, right? But I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. I'm kind of upset that microphone wasn't on. As I sat down, my hip just went. Ugh, man, got a granny's body. Oh well. No drama, just cold truth. I deal with no unrealistic optimism. Damn, Clover. Okay. When do I plan the entry, exit? Oh, how do I plan? Well, that's the point of my GAN box. So I draw the range, and then my entry and exit, I set up limit order and stop loss. And once I'm tagged in, then I will place my take profit. Hey guys, see, I'm glad I listened to myself. It's weird for me to do that sometimes, but we took London low on ES. Ooh, Thomas, we took London low on NQ as well, which is why I didn't take this trade. Hello. Okay. Yeah. Thomas, that's why I didn't take the trade. You guys will be kind of proud of me. I guess I could have made... No, it's risky. I could have maybe made it a stop, like a sell stop entry. No, just leave it alone. Getting injuries from sitting is the sad part of getting older. You know what? Well, yeah. First I said look closer below first sell side, then I said 10, 15, 11 macro incoming. It was perfect. Nice, if sense. Wait, you're turning 30 next year. Wait, I'm turning 27 in a few weeks. Yeah. Damn, Jordy! Jordy is here to bounce people. We didn't take London low. Yes, we did. On MNQ. We did. Am I wrong? Did I have the wrong order? But yeah. I had it as taken. Jordy, I'm scared. Yep. 6 tap forming full port. Should I not consider trendline or Fibonacci series? No. Well, yes and no, but no. I tend to just stick with my rules. But like I said, damn, this maybe would have been a good one. However, give me a second, I want to see something. Mother fluffer. Okay, I used the wrong range. This would have been the correct range for taking out liquidity. Dagnabbit. Dagnabbit, oh well. Boom banana going down more, yeah. Anything planned for my birthday? No, I don't really celebrate my birthday much. I carry on. I carry on carrying on. Food cost is all-time high. Are you serious? 3:15 a.m. is low of the day. They lied to you. It's just like 20, except it's 10 years later. Jordy. No. Now to just take out some liquidity and I mean, theoretically, I could still get in on the sell if I wanted to. Do I want to though? Is it a little bit risky? Because it created a little bit of an inverse fair value gap on the 1 minute, but it still does look heavy. Don't worry, the government solution is 2K. Me and Maya going out that night. Ah, there we go. Boom, you weren't supposed to tell them. Gonna make people jealous. What is she talking about? I'm gonna be looking for bearish setups until we get a bullish shift. I'm doing that great to combat it. What's the chart? The chart is the Nasdaq futures. Why are we looking like this? I feel like I would be dumb to try and get in on this, but maybe I'll be dumb to not try and get in on this. Thoughts, guys? Maybe I'm just too late. Didn't tap into that fair value gap on ES yet. Sometimes make sure she eats. There we go. Better than many others, although. Hey from England. Hey Gaz. Hi from South Africa. How's it going? Worked there for a while when I was younger. Scanning for the low, still dropping AS. Raphael. Hey! Guys going to Wimpy. Ooh! Should I go to Spur and then they can sing that incredible happy birthday song? AutoCAD. What's that, Emmanuel? Do I risk it for the biscuit? Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. Do I risk it for the biscuit and try this? 27 points is not ideal. Like I said, I might be too late with this. Respecting there hasn't even tapped in on ES yet. Hey Bob, how's it going? Whoop whoops. Did you get in on the shorts? Are we happy today? How's it looking for you, Bob? Haven't been to Spur in years. Really weird, why not? So, I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this one. I love the nachos at Spur. I don't know why. They're one of my favorite nachos, which I know is probably devastating because they're not super fancy, but they're so good. It's going well. Ooh, nice, Bob. Green on the day. So, definite whoop whoops for Bob is what I'm hearing, which is amazing. However, build your confidence in your system. Thanks, Rip. No, you have a good point. Good point. It was a really good day today. I didn't... You're right. It can be a pat yourself on the back day today. That sounds a little bit cocky, but I did wait for proper setups. I didn't try and trade in the chop like I normally would have. This is now choppy, so it would be dumb for me to do it just because of FOMO, because everyone got in on that short. To be fair, I couldn't get in on that short because it just ran away. Oh well. Yeah, Jordy, that Spur song is the rush. Diamante, you say risk it. Okay, huh? Our time tomorrow. Oh, Clover, no, I'll be on. So because of the change in daylight savings, I'll now be on at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, Clover. Jordy. Used to like the onion rings. Ooh. So for anyone, I don't know if this is a thing anywhere else, but for anyone up Joburg side, because I don't think they have one down here, the onion rings it's called Moo-Moos. Oh my gosh. They are amazing. And there's something there called the cow chow. So good. Yeah, the Moo-Moos. I think it's in the no, not Bryanston. Is it Bryanston? Bryanston Mall? I could be lying. Oh, some guy, that was so bad, but I respect that. I respect that so much. That was amazing. No, okay, we are just kind of chopping around a little bit. Used to like the calamari. Ooh. I can beat you in an arm wrestle. Livecraft? Probably. Oh no, some guy. Oh, it's getting worse. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. Love that. Jordy can't knock the nachos. I'll give you that. The wings lost its oomph now. Ah, see Jordy. Bob, it looks like I did. Sorry, you can even see. Oh, can you? You can kind of see the tan lines. Not really. Never mind. They're basically gone. I did. I got some sunshine. Sunshine and lollipops. Hello. You want to come say hi? You're still going to be shy about life. Come on. Yeah. Come say hi. Nope. Okay, still being shy. I tried. Let the record show that I tried. No. No, I can't be upset about it. Can't be upset about it. Can't be upset about it. Brooklyn! Thanks, Jordy. That's it. I'm thinking of Brooklyn Mall. That's where I used to go all the time. The Moo-Moo's there at Brooklyn Mall. Oh no, wait, where are you from? Oh, Jordy. Oh, guys. Okay, sorry. This went a very different direction conversation-wise. I'm sorry. Can't believe how bad they can get. Some guy. It's getting so bad. Wait. Port Elizabeth. Oh, wait. Noise. Like I said, I'm KZN inside. Funded this month should be good enough to get my first payout anytime this next. Lukey, that is amazing, by the way. Whoop whoop. For you is definitely needed. No, this is not an A+ setup. I was gonna say, hey, look, I can maybe try get on this, but now I'm just chasing price and FOMO because this I would have mitigated by me. I probably would have been break even here, so let's see what it would have done. You know, shoulda, woulda, coulda, but in the same breath, it is choppy. Sorry, can you see? I'm trying to... It's okay. It's okay you missed the trade. You're fine. It's okay. No, you're good, bro. Okay. Glad you're good. Potentially looks like it. Okay. Hey, Southpaw, how you doing? How's it going? Took 2 years of many hours backtest every day. Damn, Lukey. How many hours did you backtest for? Or did you have like a specific amount? Like you would just backtest 100 a day or like 20 a day or something? We're in the area where you can consolidate. Be careful. Yeah, if sense. Don't rush it. Take your time with it. Yeah. Ah, Southpaw, I'm glad. How's the trading been going? It's why... So, if sense, it's why, like I said, I didn't take anything. It took out the liquidity I was kind of waiting for it to take before it tagged me in. This looks like potentially maybe it could have been a win, so maybe I missed out, but it is what it is. Oh, cool. Abraham, what's up? How are you? Ooh, nice focus. You've been MIA. How's it going? Total, yeah, Lukey. or just per day, maybe. Let's say per day. In case they didn't like Tyson's good. Wasn't really there for long. Oh, wait. Listen, KZN's pretty. In my mind, Bob was like a rich dude with a cool beard and sits with a shotgun and a large margarita fish and greets his neighbors. Oh, Geordie. Bob, we are going to need you to confirm or deny, please. Your time may see some buy-side taken. Ooh, if sense. Okay, so yeah, like you said, maybe not the worst thing. Got 5 minutes to go. I'm probably gonna hop off at that time anyways. Let's see. Time for the main event. Put the big fella on the screen. Just on this porch. Southpaw, you sitting on your hands? Nice. Have you taken anything yet, Southpaw? Or what's the plan? Takes 5 seconds forward. The setup is not valid. Guess I do 3 macro instead of 1 mini. Yeah. Center risk per trade is like 10 instead of 30. Oh, okay. So, I mean, Lukey. Yeah. Same. That's why I do the micros as well. Momentum kind of soon. Boom Banana, what's up? Really? I think I'll just start banning people. Ah, Boom, it sounds like you had fun. You had fun. I'm 200 profits with my futures bots. Nice, Monster Mob. Oh, Fulcus, I wish. No, just water. I'm trying to be better with regards to the water. Southpaw. Yeah, I'm trying to just be better with drinking more water throughout the day. I can't just live on coffee. Although I tried. Is it my camera or do I look like I have a shaved beard? No. I wish. I would look quite cool with a beard. Pity. It's good to see that you're in the green today. No trade since last week. Oh, right, Southpaw. Right. I forgot. Drinking. Once more. You guys would know if I was. You need to try Irish coffee. Ooh, focus. Irish coffee is good. Swing that ban hammer. And classical, Natal, Monarch Orchestra, Amazing Destiny Stage. I heard that. Didn't they go overseas and play overseas? So guys, hear me out. Would it not be amazing to have like a jazz lounge in South Africa somewhere? I always thought it would be so cool. Like a jazz lounge, and you have like fancy cocktails or fancy margaritas, and you just sit and listen to jazz, and maybe you can just get like finger foods or something. Southpaw, yes. Yay for drinking water. Because you love live music. Me too. And you know what's sad? I haven't been to a lot of live. To be fair, I've only been to like 2. No more. I've been to some things, but like actually going to go see one person. So I've been to Bryan Adams. I have to. I mean, Spirit. Those that know, they know. And I went and saw, oh, I'm gonna smack myself. Oh, who is it? Oh, I'm gonna... Give me a second. Who did I go and see live? And he was actually really good. This is gonna bother me. I'm sorry, so I have to see who I went and saw live. James Blunt, there we go. That was gonna drive me crazy. I kept wanting to say like Adam Levine. I was like, no, I didn't see what. Maybe second best after seeing. Probably. Oh, cool. Lukey, vodka? No, not vodka. Ah, Focus, I love it. Tesla's good luck. Oh, wait. I mean, yeah, it's just, I have a feeling. Is it not expansion? There are places you have not lived. There are? What places? Name one place, Geordie. You lie. You lie. Geordie, oh, I guess I can't really see you. I'm actually gonna pop up to that side of the world not next week. I guess next week, just for the weekend. I've been to one live concert my whole life. Soul Smashing Pumpkins, Jimmy Eats World. Jimmy Eats World is good. Oh, nice, Bob. UB40? No? No? Haven't heard of that, Jordy. Oh, thanks. Thanks, Focus. That's an awesome lineup, yeah. Clean my chart, please. There's like 2 things on it. And this I'm just leaving up to see if it would have been a win. I have like 2 things. What's wrong with my chart? Damn! Bears be aware, maybe not very aggressive short. Yeah, Lukey. Well, it's still slowly descending down. Oh, guys, it's time. No. Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna leave this up to see if it would have been a win. Yeah, I guess I can't be upset with not taking it if I wasn't chasing price and I was, I stuck with the rules. I guess that's the important key here. I stuck with the rules and it was a good green day. You've watched Bon Jovi? Ooh, CC Top, Ronnie James. And some others I can't remember right now. Ooh, Southpaw, that's nice. I've never seen orchestra performance. Suggest you go for the experience. It's powerful. Thank you, Lukey. Lukey, hopefully see you tomorrow. I'm not sure if you're going to be around during the London session, but London and New York. Oh, here we go. This probably would have been break even if we're being honest. Okay, so break even trade, which would have been fine. It is what it is. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining me today. I know today was a little bit more of a sit and chat, but still learned a lot. Still learning about that first presented fair value gap as well, which I find super interesting. So again, super mad love for everyone. Some guy, absolutely. Super mad love for everyone. Thank you everyone for joining me. And I have hiccups again, I'm so sorry. So huge shout out to everyone and their support in this amazing community. I think everyone deserves a shout out. I'm gonna leave with 2 more things. 3 more things? 2 more things. 2 more things. Number 1, if you want to show a little bit more support, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya with any of the affiliates in my description below. Yeah, if you want to just show a little bit more support, like I said, code TeachMaya, you get a little bit more of a discount, which is awesome. Second thing. Last time we saw my offset usually gets rid of. Thanks. Second thing is, there is apparently now a scammer who's using my name, the TeachMaya Trading brand, if you will. So if you get a request on Discord, it's most likely them because I don't send out requests on Discord. So just be aware. Maybe confirm with me via email or something that it is me. I don't know, but just be aware that apparently there is a scammer out there pretending to be me. So like I said, I don't know if I'm flattered or concerned, but it is what it is. Took my life savings and now I live in a box under a bridge, so be careful out there. Thanks, some guy. Yeah, guys, don't make some guy's mistake. Be aware. Again, mad love for all of you. Thank you. I can't stress enough how amazing this community is, and I'll be back tomorrow. Let's see. Okay, it is. Yeah, let's see what tomorrow brings. I know it's bank holiday, but maybe it'll be fun. I love you guys madly. Yeah, see you tomorrow, London or New York session. Bye.